I recently installed the Edelbrock Pro Flo 4 system on my 302, and I ran into the issue that, well, I have an AOD transmission, and the throttle body ends up in a different position than the original carburetor, so the kickdown rod does not end up in the right place. And I try to modify it by extending it, but it's just not shifting, so I'm just gonna convert it to a cable kickdown. So this is what I'll be using. I'll be using Locar's cable kit. This is specifically made for an AOD transmission, and they make this, which is the bracket that is specifically for the Edelbrock Pro Flo 4 system. Can't really record on the bottom of doing the installation on the transmission side. I'll make sure I'll add a link to the video that I watched that explains how to do it. It's a very detailed video, but now that's done. So now I'm gonna move up to the throttle body. I'm gonna install the bracket first. What needs to be done up here is you gotta remove this nut and stud. Then you install the bracket and that stud is replaced by this bolt. It's a hex bolt, and it just sits there like that, and then you can insert your kickdown cable and your throttle cable in the same bracket. And also it has a bracket for the throttle spring. Okay, once this on, you can put your throttle return spring on, and that's a bolt where this clip from the wire clips onto, and then this basically goes right there, and then these are the nuts to adjust it. That's your fine adjustment right there. All right, so the kit comes with an Allen wrench to take this wire stop off, and that's what you need to do to feed it through that bracket. That's what it looks like once it's all installed. To adjust it, the kit does include this little tool. And the way you use it is you put it on the wire after the clip like that, and then you take all the slack out of the wire, but make sure you don't have any tension on it, and then you tighten that Allen wrench bolt on there, and then that's roughly where the adjustment that you need to do. And then you go back over here on these nuts and you fine adjust it there, and basically when you make it tighter, it makes it take longer to shift, and it makes more aggressive shifts. When you loosen it, it shifts sooner, and it's softer shifts. And that's basically how you install this. So after you install it, you take it on a test drive, and then you make the needed adjustments on that. Like I said, I'll add a link to a more detailed video that I found that I watched before installing this. And that's gonna be it for my video. So thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'm about to take it on a test drive, but let me give you guys a bonus cold start.